Alright folks, this is Jacob with Chris Smith's office. Today we're looking at 3707 South Saratoga Street. This is a gorgeous property. It's offered at $825,000. It's about 3,300 square feet. We've got 5 bedrooms, 3.5 baths. Here is our main living space. As you can see, right as you walk in, this is a special house. It's not just your run-of-the-mill renovation. This is repurposed wood from how the house was before they renovated it. We've got these great walkout windows out onto your front porch. This living space is just super elevated, and it's all about the details. You see along the top of the molding there, those geometric shapes, that's beautiful. And then this leads right into our designer kitchen, which is, again, not what you see every day. We've got the waterfall marble counters, and this is actually lit up here. That's not just a light effect, kind of like, there we go, you turn that on and off. And then these built-ins for your wine and wine fridge, and this is great too, just, it's all lit up inside. Takes something like a pantry and really elevates it into something special. That leads into our dining room here and our backyard. I'd take you out there, but there's an infestation. Look at that, literally kittens right there. All right, so let's continue going through the house. That's the backyard. And of course, just a very sensible, smart floor plan throughout. Just the way that all the rooms flow into one another. That leads us to our staircase. So this is our landing. We've got our grand piano. That can exemplify just how much space we have here. Here is a half bathroom. Then we've got our laundry room, which actually happens to be a media room too. Leading into my next point, we've got surround sound for the whole building. So that's where you would control the music if you're having a party or just wanted to play music in your home. This room is interesting. So this is a bedroom with its own ensuite bath. And this is a full bath. So it's got a tub and a shower in there, and then a large closet over here. What's interesting about this is it could be a bit of a master suite if you wanted to live on the first floor. Also, it could be an Airbnb income suite. You could very easily close this off, lock it, and people could enter through that door, and this could be an income suite. Or a mother-in-law suite, or really a guest quarter, whatever you want. I wanted to mention that though, there is income potential there. Now we'll go upstairs. I'll let Scott show you just how beautiful that view up the stairs is. So we've got original beadboard that's been repurposed as an accent ceiling here, and then this beautiful chandelier. To our right here is the master suite, and this is straight luxury. Very elevated master suite. So here's a large bedroom, sitting area, could be a study as well. And then that leads into a huge master closet, and that's the size of a bedroom. Then we come through here, and this is when Scott said, oh wow, this place is something special. Scott's my example customer for today. So look at this, absolutely phenomenal. I mean, these are handmade glass light fixtures coming down from the ceiling there, and those tie in above the double vanity. So really something special here. Now I'll show you the rest of the upstairs. We have a full bathroom right here. And this is really a funky bathroom. It's cool. Very interesting tile work. And not what you see every day. Then we're going to go through 3 different bedrooms. Here's one bedroom. And again, like I was saying, these rooms are huge. It wouldn't be a New Orleans house without a gorgeous balcony overlooking the street. This ties together into the other bedroom right next door. So here's the 4th of our 5 bedrooms. Again, very large, great closet space, natural light, access to that balcony. And then our 5th bedroom. So that's what we've got. Truly an exceptional property here at 3707 South Saratoga Street, offered at $825,000. Just about 3,300 square feet of living. Available now. Just call Chris at 504-231-2004 or comment below the video with questions. Thanks for watching.